Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, you will learn how you can upload and attach files to your tasks and projects on Asana, like for example instructions for coworkers or team members, or PDF files, or I don't know, photos, images, and so on and so forth. So let us guide you through this, guys. It is actually very simple. Head over to asana.com and access or select your project here on the left hand side from your workspace. Let me go, for example, with that wedding planner here, for instance. And for better organizing purposes, guys, I would prefer, or I would suggest to head over to the list tab so that you may be given an overview of all of the associated tasks within the given project, like for example for this wedding planner. So let's say, for example, you've been working on a guest list for a wedding and now you'd like to add that guest list in a Word format, for instance, or an Excel file. To do that, simply hover your mouse over the given task. And after that, click on that arrow to the right icon to access the given task's details. And there are basically two different ways, guys, how you can attach or upload files and add these to your tasks. One way would be to simply click on that paperclip icon here at the top, attach files, and to select your source, like for example, your desktop computer, laptop, or Mac, or any other device, and upload it from there. To do that, simply click on choose a file here, next locate the file on your device and upload it to your task here. The second option, guys, would be to use either Dropbox or Google Drive, for example, OneDrive. You may, for example, also link your entire Asana account with Google Drive. To do that, guys, simply click on the profile icon in the top right corner, select settings from that drop-down menu here, and here in your account settings, switch to apps. And after that, as you can see, I have already linked my Google Drive account with my Asana account so that I can access all of my files stored on Google Drive through my Asana workspace. To do that, guys, or to do the same, simply click on See All Apps here to get a better overview of all supported apps here in Asana. Browse through that list, and once you have found Google Drive, simply click on it and link your account on Asana with your Google account. It is actually a matter of a few clicks. And once it's done, guys, once your both accounts have been linked, you will be given the opportunity to upload directly files you have stored in your Google Drive, like for example, Word files, Word documents, PDF documents, and so on and so forth, directly to your task by clicking on that button here under Google Drive, add Google Drive file, and you will be instantaneously given access to a list of all of your items here stored in your Google Drive account to upload them directly with one click of your mouse without using that paperclip icon here at the top. And that's how you do it, guys. Simply click on add here once you have made your choice and so after you've selected your file. And that should do it, guys. That's how you add files to your tasks and projects on Asana. Thanks for watching and see you next time.